guys, welcome back to my blog. On this video, we're in the streets of Sunny Hills subdivision in Talamban, Cebu, and we're heading to the waiting motorcycles, a mode of transportation here in the Philippines where you can rent a motor bike with a driver that will take you within the barangay roads or to places that cars won't be able to reach. So the guy with me, wearing a Black Panther long sleeve, is Master Dandan. We also have a YouTube channel, which is Master Dandan, M-A-S-T-E-R, Dandan, D-A-N-D-A-N, and click on like and subscribe on his channel too, and also to my channel as well. And I would like to thank him for putting my Gatorade inside my bag. I already found a motorcycle to ride, which is a Habal Habal, H-A-B-A-L, H-A-B-A-L, Habal Habal. And waiting for the trucks and several motorcycles to pass before we started riding the bike, or before the bike starts to roll. And I don't know if the motorcycle driver is comfortable with the action camera dangling around him and around us. This action camera is the Insta360 One X2, and if you want to know more about this camera, you can click on the description below and check if there's any deals from the Insta360 website using my link. And by the way, this one is a free shipping from Hong Kong, I think. Yes, it is a free shipping from Hong Kong, and it's also a special thanks to Cebu or Cebu Trail Masters for organizing this hiking and camping event in Sirao grounds, and also for letting us join. And when riding a motorcycle, please remind the Habal Habal driver to ride safe so that everyone is happy. Alright, so I'll stop talking right now, and I want you to enjoy the view while riding this motorcycle. part right here, we have to right turn, and this road is going up, and I'm having really a hard time like maintaining my position because my bag is weighing me, pulling me down from the motorcycle. So I have really to hold tightly to the motorcycle seat and to the driver. And also my legs are not really comfortable because the footrest is really high for me. So I have to endure the whole travel or the whole motorcycle Habal Habal ride. And in this part, we're almost there to the trailhead for Budlaan to Sirao. And a little bit of sacrifice, and this will be over. Finally, we're on the trailhead, and I have to prepare my wallet to pay the Habal Habal driver. It's funny that we have the same shirt color. And it seems that his motorcycle is really cool.
Thank you.
Double checking if he gave me a change for my friend. Okay. Thank you so much, sir, and ride safe always. Now I'm going to meet the rest of the Cebu Trail Masters. Thank you so much.